Welcome to this technical guide on the HP EliteBook 840G5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP EliteBook 840G5 won't turn on, it can be quite frustrating. This issue may occur due to a faulty power supply, a dead battery, or even a malfunctioning motherboard. If left unaddressed, it could lead to further damage, making repairs more complicated and costly. To start this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, a plastic spudger, and a replacement battery if necessary. First, ensure the laptop is powered off and unplugged. Begin by placing the device on a soft surface to avoid scratches. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws from the bottom panel of the laptop. Be sure to keep them safe as you will need them later. Gently insert the plastic spudger into the seam between the bottom panel and the chassis. Carefully pry the panel open, taking care not to damage any clips or connectors. Once the panel is removed, you should see the internal components of the laptop. Check the battery connection first. Disconnect the battery by gently lifting the connector from the motherboard. If the battery appears swollen or damaged, this is likely the cause of your issue. To replace it, simply disconnect the old battery and replace it with the new one, ensuring it clicks into place securely. Next, if the laptop still doesn't power on, it may be necessary to check the power input jack. Use your screwdriver to loosen the screws holding the power jack in place. Gently lift it out and examine it for any visible damage or loose connections. If it appears faulty, replace it with a new one. Remember to handle all components carefully to avoid damaging any nearby parts. Once you've replaced the battery and checked the power jack, reconnect the battery to the motherboard and replace the bottom panel by aligning it correctly and pressing down until it clicks into place. Finally, reinsert all screws and ensure everything is secured. Now, plug in the laptop and try turning it on. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from happening again, make sure to regularly check your battery health and avoid overcharging your device. Additionally, keeping your laptop clean and dust-free can help maintain its performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.